No, this looks good. Yeah, I think, yo, as you pump it out, it's coming right back into right back into the boat.
No, it's not.
There it is. Idea is we're gonna be putting the foils on that thing. We have the skis. I think we're just taking one ski, and we're gonna go try and do some foils back here in the lee shore. We do gotta keep an eye out for the gators.
We got the Cheeto skim. Thanks, cousin.
Move that thing so it's going out into the water.
Look, hold this in your face. No, hold it in your face. Get some of that water. It's good for you. It's not good for you. Oh, it's normal. This is why I have the pump. You gotta. It's normal. Done those things.
I love how the battery just sits right in it. It just sits in the water.
It does great. I thought it was bust up. It does great.
You guys are 1 inch from being underwater. Damn, dude, he's so close. I don't. Yeah, I don't. I don't like that, bro. You guys are so close to being underwater.